Well, she was going to stop. But every time I pull the camera out, she stops.
She's still doing
She
it.
knows you're taking pictures of her.
She's still doing it. We can hear you.
There she goes.
You what? Oh.
Baby, you're making me laugh.
She's getting all worked up.
You're so beautiful.
Got a full tummy. Little snoozy going on.
Snoring.
Yep.
Is there lactation consultant? Jody was here yesterday helping out. I don't know. He is on vacation, so I was wondering. Oh yeah, I'm not. You're here. She was wondering if somebody was going to help her today. Yep, I can help you. Okay.